You could post it on YouTube and say, my kitty was not very happy about being in a cat carrier, now was she? I'm going to hit some cars. So would you like to tell me and steer me?
Try it, Mom.
Alright. It's okay, Sebastian. Chill.
It's okay. It's okay, Kino. It's okay, Kino.